Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your phone model and iOS version, because dynamic island behavior depends on supported hardware and iOS 17 or later. Next, enable notifications and background app refresh for the apps you plan to use. This allows live activities to appear. Once done, make sure location or microphone permissions are granted when needed. Now, open an app that provides live activities so you can trigger the island. This first action gets the feature visible and ready. You now trigger a live activity to populate the dynamic island. Play music, start a timer, begin navigation, or launch a supported third-party live activity. Once the island appears, tap briefly to reveal quick controls, press and hold to expand full details. You can drag or swipe to manage what's shown, swipe to dismiss transient items, drag to peek at ongoing status. Make sure to observe how different apps format content, because interaction methods may vary slightly between system and third-party. Finish by customizing how the dynamic island behaves. Go to settings to tune notifications, live activities, and focus so the island appears only when you want it. You can close or modify a live activity directly from the island. Long press to reveal controls and either close it or jump into the full app. If the island doesn't show, restart your device, update iOS, and confirm the app has required permissions. This usually resolves most issues and gets live activities working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.